Hi everyone, today we are going to make chocolate soufflé. To begin with, we're going to see the ingredients. First, we'll need 60.5 grams of butter, a third cup of granulated sugar, 3 eggs separated, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate, 1 pinch of salt and powdered sugar for topping. Now, let's get started. First, put the egg whites on medium speed and add the salt, next add the sugar slowly. Wait until medium peaks and stop whisking. Now it's time to double boil the chocolate and the butter together. Now that the chocolate has been melted, time to preheat the oven. Preheat it to 190 degrees Celsius. Next, you have to add in the egg yolks and whisk quickly so that the eggs don't scramble. After mixing in the eggs, it's time to add in the egg whites in small portions and fold it into the chocolate. Approximately 1 cup at a time and fold gently. Now that it's been folded thoroughly, it's time to pour the batter into pre-buttered granulates. Time to clean the edges so that it doesn't burn. Before popping it into the preheated oven, make sure to tap it 4 times gently on the bench top to get rid of any excess air bubbles. Set the timer for 15 minutes and bake until done. Now that it's done baking, it's time to dust it with some icing sugar. The soufflés are done. Now it's time to enjoy. Thank you for watching Sugar and Spice Box. See you next time.